If you're encountering a spending limit reached message on Affirm, it can be frustrating. Here is a quick guide to help you resolve this issue efficiently. Step 1. Check your balance. Log into your Affirm account and review your available balance. Ensure that you have not exceeded your spending limit and that your account is in good standing. Step 2. Make a payment. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Update payment information. Ensure that your payment information is current. If your bank account or card details have changed, update them in your Affirm account to avoid any issues with transactions. Step 4. Contact customer support. If you are still facing issues, reach out to Affirm's customer support. They can provide specific insights into your account status and help resolve any underlying problems. Step 5. Wait for a reset. Sometimes spending limits reset after a certain period. If you've recently made a large purchase, you may need to wait until your limit refreshes before making new transactions. By following these steps, you should be able to address the spending limit reached issue on Affirm quickly. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Affirm's support team.